Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and the crochet hook is in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 8. Now through the last chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now I will chain 4 right there through that loop, and this is row 1. Now right there through that loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, then through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So we need to repeat this until we have 15 double crochets with 1 chain in between. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to do 10 more. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now that we have 15 double crochets with 1 chain in between, to finish row 1 I'll chain 1, then right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, right here through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 2 single crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop 2 single crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop 2 single crochet. So I'll continue making 2 single crochets through each 1 chain loop throughout row 2. So to finish row 2, right here through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I will chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 3, I'll use yarn in different color. This first single crochet chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 6, and through this next chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through this next chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 6. Through this next chain I'll make Through these next 4 chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, I'll chain 6. Through this next chain, I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through the next chain, I'll make 1 triple crochet. Again, I'll chain 6. Through these next 4 chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Chain 6. Through this next chain, I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through this next chain, I'll make 1 triple crochet. Chain 6. Through the next 4 chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Chain 6. Through the next chain, I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through the next chain, I'll make 1 triple crochet. Chain 6. Through the next 4 chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. I'll chain 6. Through this next chain, I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through the next chain, I'll make 1 triple crochet. Chain 6. Now through these last 2 chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. And to finish row 3, through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. This completes row 3. Now for row 4, I'm still going to use yarn in the same color. So see, we already have these 2 single crochets in the beginning, in the middle I mean. So right through that first single crochet chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through this 6 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 4 double crochet, 4 triple crochet, and 1 triple crochet. Again, I will chain 1. Now through this next 6 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet, 4 triple crochet, 4 double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Now through these next 2 single crochet chains right here at the center, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. So for this row we have finished this first petal. We have 4 more petals. Now right here through this next 6 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the same 6 chain loop I'll make 1 half double crochet. Through that same loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Through that same 4 chain loop I'll make 4 triple crochet. Then through the same 6 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through this next 6 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through that same 6 chain loop I'll make 4 triple crochet. Through that same 6 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Through that same loop I'll make 1 half double crochet, and through that same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through these next 2 single crochet chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. So for this row we have finished 2 petals. Now we have 3 more petals, and we repeat the same thing for each petal. Now to finish row 4, right here to this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now right here through this half double crochet, I insert my hook, then insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So now we need to make 6 single crochets in the next 6 chains, and this one already counts as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Through the next 3 chains I'll make 1 half double crochet through each chain, now right here through this 1 chain loop I'll make 3 half double crochet, then I'll chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 3 half double crochet. Now I'll skip this next chain, and through the next 3 chains I'll make 1 half double crochet through each chain. Through the next 6 chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Again, now see here where we have this next petal, we'll skip this first single crochet, and through the next 6 chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Wait. To the next 3 chains, I'll make 1 half double crochet through each chain. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 3 half double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same loop, I'll make 3 half double crochet. Now I'll skip this next chain. Through these next 3 chains, I'll make 1 half double crochet through each chain. Through the next 6 chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. So this completes 2 petals so far. Now again, we repeat the same thing for the next 3 petals. So see here, we have this next petal, we skip all these chains, and then we skip this next single crochet for this 3rd petal. Then through the next 6 chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. So let's see. All right. So we repeat this through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through row 5. To finish row 5, right here through this first single crochet chain, I will make 1 slip stitch. Then I'll chain 1, and then I'll cut this yarn. And then I will weave the ends in. It's actually 1 flower, but I'm kind of making it in 3 different videos because each row gives it a new different look, and that is very beautiful. This doesn't happen very often here, but when it happens, it's amazing because each row makes a flower looks different. Which I think for the last row, oops! I think for the last row, I'm going to use purple color. Purple rain, purple rain. Oh, great. Now I have to listen to the song. I have to find it and hit it. There you go. It looks like a star flower. A star flower. So this is all for today. I hope you like this video, and I hope you make this flower. It probably look even better with different colors, you know. I wasn't too lazy to make multiple of those and just compare them. Guys! Oh my goodness! This will look so pretty as a motif. Imagine like a blanket or even maybe a table cover or something where you can make those and just join them here at the core at these you see how you call these 2 chain loops. I think that'll look so cool. Wow. Yeah, that'll look very nice.